Today, we're at the time where panic of future has been more disturbing than the corona pandemic. Many of you are in the edge of completing your final year graduation and post-graduation. Now, everything has been uncertain, which leads you to be disappointed and pessimistic about future. But the truth is that future is always uncertain. Still, there is no need to be pessimistic about your future because the time comes up not only with the problems but also with solutions. Time is the best medicine for every pain. If you have been watching nuisance spreading news channels during this lockdown, there are chances that your minds incline towards negativism. You would be having a number of questions in your minds about your future which really scare you. Whether exams will be conducted or not, if exams are conducted, whether my preparation is enough. I have forgotten everything that I learned. Country's economy has been falling down. What about getting employed? If this pandemic continues for more than a year, I would fall behind in the race of life. These kind of thoughts would really be troubling you. To come out from this stressful situation, I would like to suggest you a few things. First one, understand the concept of time. First, you need to come out from the Western notion of time, which says time is linear and scarce. When you believe that time is passing and you are getting older, it puts you in a pressure when things are not completed on time. As saying goes, age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. The truth is that time is running only in your mind and not in the universe. In Indian philosophy, time is eternal and infinite. Sense of time is just our brain's construction. As Sri Krishna says Arjuna, we had always been here, have been here, and will be here forever. There was no time we had not been there, and there will be no time where we all will not be there. We souls have always been existing in different forms of energy. There is no point worrying that your 1 month is wasted, 1 year is wasted. It's all experience of lives in the infinite journey of souls. Secondly, surrender to the external locus of control. Most of the things happening in your lives are not in your control. There's always an invisible external power which controls the universe. The best possible way to deal with the external impact is accepting it and surrendering yourself to it. But your mind is always in your control. That one thing is enough to live your life in a best possible way. Only your mind is responsible for all your mental agony. As saying goes, problem is not a problem. Your attitude towards the problem is a real problem, which causes real pain. So, don't think about changing world around you. Focus only on changing yourself in a constructive way. And third point is, patience is a powerful weapon to win the battle of life. These days, we have been noticing youngsters being very impatient. They want things to happen in their earliest. You may want things to get settled immediately, and you are not ready to tolerate any delay. But everything comes to you at right time. Planting a plant now, you can't expect the fruits immediately. Firstly, you have to nurture it well, and at right time, you will get the right amount of fruits. Sometimes, not doing anything is the best action. Let me tell you a story. One sunny day, Gautama Buddha went with his disciples to a distant place. In the mid-journey, they sheltered in a village. As Buddha was thirsty, one of his disciples went to bring him water from the nearby pond. The disciples saw that the water turned muddy as some animals swam in it a while ago. He came back without water as the water was not in a potable condition. He informed the same to Buddha. Buddha said, "Go again to the same pond and see the change." He went to the same pond where the water was clean and clear this time. He brought a mug of water for Buddha. Buddha asked him, "What did you do second time to clean the muddy water?" The disciple said, "I did nothing but just give time so that water got itself cleaned." Then Buddha said to his disciples, "That is a lesson you need to learn in your life. During your bad time, just give time to the things get settled on their own." A fourth one, all time is good for doing good things. Procrastinating is your biggest enemy to culminate success. This is the right time to do constructive things in your life, strengthening your strengths further. Keep yourself busy learning new things, helping others, physical exercises. You can experiment yourself with singing, writing, painting, cooking, etc. No one can stop you to get what you deserve to. It may be job, score, position, money, awards, whatever. If you really deserve it, no one can stop you getting it. Don't blame society, economy, system, lack of opportunities, corona, cyclone, etc. If you are really capable, opportunities find their ways towards you. Make yourself inevitable for others. Develop yourself as the best option for your employers. If not job, you can start your own business. India is a developing nation which has a lot of business opportunities. We have so many areas untapped in India which could be a business opportunity for you. Stay united with your friends, which helps you to start partnership firms. Next up, practicing yoga and meditation. Daily waking up early in the morning, practicing yoga and meditation will help you to enhance the experience of life. You will feel the positivity of life energy, physically as well as mentally. And one more important thing, that is self-counseling. As Krishna counsels Arjuna in the battle of Kurukshetra, in the battle of your life, you should let Krishna within you to counsel Arjuna within you. Here Krishna is buddhi or knowledge, and Arjuna is your actions. Knowledge without action is waste, and action without knowledge is dangerous. If you don't have any friends, stay alone. Just introspect, look inside. You see a beautiful world within you, and you will meet a beautiful person there. That is you. You are your best friend, and that best friend is unheard, unaddressed, missed out all these years. Speak with him. Listen your inner voice. Try to understand yourself. You can also talk with your friends over telephone or in any online mode. But make sure that you are talking to a right person who spreads positivity. Avoid negative-minded people in your lives. And next one, don't find learning as a torturous work. Make it your passion, because learning is a joyful process. Before going bed, note down the new things that you learn every day. You can read good books. Google will help you to shortlist the good books that you can read during this lockdown. Be with nature. Plant trees. Observe them growing. At the end, let me tell you one mantra. Once Arjuna asked Krishna, "Is there any mantra which works in every situation, in every circumstances, in every place and in every time, in every joy, every sorrow, every defeat and every victory? One answer for all questions. Something which helps me when no one is there to advise me." Krishna, with a gentle smile, says, "This too shall pass." When you are sad, say yourself that this bad time will pass soon. And when you are in good time, don't be overexcited. Remember that this too will pass. Be indifferent to pain and pleasure. Be stable-minded. So So don't worry, this corona time will pass soon. I hope this video would help you to stay calm and constructive during COVID-19 lockdown. Stay safe, have a quality time with your family members, help needy people, stay healthy. Thank you.